4 divided by 1 over 2 times 2. We can cancel this 2 and this 2, which will give us 1. And then 4 divided by 1 gives us 4. But this answer is incorrect. In this question, we have 1 division and 1 multiplication. And as we know, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to go from left to right. So we start with 4 divided by 1 over 2. Now, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So, now we have 4 times 2 times 2. First, 4 times 2 gives us 8, and then 8 times 2 gives us 16. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 16.